Force, work, and energy. To do the following activities, the following persons need to push or pull the object. This push or pull acting on an object is called force. A boy kicks the football. A girl stretches the rubber band to tie her hair. A boy opens the door of the corridor. Effects of force. Force can change the shape and size of an object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can change the speed of a moving object. Force can start the motion in an object. Force can stop the moving object. Types of forces. There are different types of forces. Frictional force. When two objects rub against each other, there is a force that prevents them to slide smoothly. This force is called frictional force. Frictional force acts in the opposite direction to the movement. In the pictures given below, child A is smoothly sliding on ice while child B is unable to slide on grass. Why? This is because child A is sliding on the smooth surface while child B is sliding on the rough surface and his shoes get stuck in the grass. Without frictional force, a moving object may continue moving for a long period. Frictional force is greater on rough surface than on smooth surface. Frictional force is very helpful. For example, frictional force helps us to walk. When we walk, we don't slip easily because of the friction produced between our shoes and the floor. When we ride a bicycle, friction is produced between tires and the road helps you not to skid off. When we play carom, we spread powder so that the striker moves easily on board. Sometimes frictional force can also create problems for us. For example, if we do not apply oil in the chain and axle of our bicycle, friction increases and bicycle starts producing a noise and it's difficult to pedal. When we rub our hands against each other, they get warm up quickly due to the friction produced between them. That is, when there is more friction between the moving objects, the energy is lost to the surroundings in the form of heat. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is that force which pulls the objects towards the center of the earth. This force keeps all things on the earth bound to it. It causes objects to drop on the ground and water to flow downhill. Gravitational force of an object is more if it has more weight than the other object. If the two objects are close to each other, the gravitational force is more, and if their distance increases, the gravitational force decreases. Muscular force. The force exerted by muscles of our body is called muscular force. For example, lifting a school bag, pushing the door of a car, kicking a football, etc. are some activities in which muscular force is used. Magnetic force. Magnets exert a force that can move certain objects. This force is called magnetic force. Electrostatic force. The force existing between two charged particles at a distance is called electrostatic force. This force is attractive for unlike charges and is repulsive for like charges. This shows that the object that produces electrical force can move the other object. Elastic force. When we apply force in a rubber band, it stretches at certain limit. When we release it after some time, it regains its original shape and size. This is due to the elastic force possessed by our hands. Work. Work is done when a force is applied to move an object over some distance. Some examples of work are moving a table, throwing a basketball, picking a book from a shelf, etc. Energy. To do work, we need some energy. Energy is the ability of a body to do work. There are different forms of energy. Light energy. Some objects like the sun, burning candles, torches, and bulbs give out light energy. It makes things visible to us. The sun is the main source of light energy. Heat energy. In winters, when we sit around the fire, we can feel the heat. This is the form of heat energy. For example, steam engines use coal to obtain energy. Electrical energy. We use electrical energy to run electrical appliances like tube lights, music systems, computers, televisions, fans, etc. Solar energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. This energy can be converted into two other forms of energy, heat and electricity. A solar cooker uses the sun's energy to cook food. Solar energy is used to heat water and produce steam, which is used to run a generator. Wind energy. Like the sun, wind is also an alternative source of energy. It is a clean source of energy that does not cause any type of pollution. Wind energy is used by windmills to generate electricity. Water energy. Hydropower. Hydropower is a clean, renewable and reliable energy source which converts kinetic energy from falling water into electricity. The potential energy stored in a water body held at a given height is converted to kinetic energy, which is used to turn a turbine and create electricity. Geothermal energy. The word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo means earth and thermal means heat. Geothermal energy is a kind of heat energy which is found under the earth. We can obtain this heat as steam or hot water and use it to generate electricity. Biomass energy. The energy obtained by burning wood, waste, garbage, landfills, etc. is known as biomass energy.